Okay, so anybody that knows me knows that I hate to cook and I also hate cleaning, but I do that more than I cook. Matt is typically the chef in the house, but if I can get an easy crock pot meal in, then I'll do it. So here is one that I'd like to show you guys.
Okay.